Hi, I'm Josh, and this is the Science Classroom. In this video, we're going to solve a problem involving the conversion from moles to number of particles. So let's get right to the problem. A teaspoon of sugar has 0.0146 moles of sucrose molecules. How many carbon atoms are in a teaspoon of sugar? The chemical formula of sucrose is C12H22O11. A mole map is a great resource for solving these type of problems. There are many available online, and you can find a printable mole map linked in the description of this video. To convert between the number of particles in moles, we need to use Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is the number of particles in the unit of mole. Just like there are 12 things in a dozen, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23 things in a mole. We want to determine the number of carbon atoms, but first we have to figure out how many sucrose molecules there are. Since there are 12 atoms of carbon per molecule, we can just multiply the number of sucroatoms by 12 to get the number of carbon atoms. To convert from moles to number of particles, we use a conversion factor that will cancel the unit of moles and leave us with the unit of number of particles. A conversion factor is a fraction where the unit you want to cancel is on the bottom and the new unit is on the top. So we're going to use 6.02 times 10 to the 23 particles over 1 mole. So the math becomes 0.0146 moles times 6.02 times 10 to the 23 particles over 1 mole. Or in other words, just 0.0146 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23. We put this into our calculator and we get 8.79 times 10 to the 21 particles. In this case, particles means number of sucrose molecules. Remember that we want to know the number of carbon atoms, so we're going to multiply this answer by 12 since there are 12 carbon atoms per molecule of sucrose. When we do this, we get an answer of 1.05 times 10 to the 23 carbon atoms. Thanks for watching. You could support the Science Classroom by liking this video and subscribing to the channel.